Hi guys, today we're going to focus on Goa Institute of Management. GIM is one of the top colleges. Today we'll talk about the fees, ROI, batch profile, everything about Goa Institute of Management. So be with me for the next few minutes. I'll walk you through in the further complete process. Okay, first of all, for GIM there are 4 programs. We'll talk about that later on. They accept CAT, ZAT, CMAT and GMAT scores. So anyone scoring more than 90 percentile, you can apply for that. Yeah, I would put the cutoff at around 90 percentile. 40 scholarship of 4 lakh rupees is available for the students in the Achievers round. So I'll talk about the Achiever round as well. So if you have to apply early, that's the Achiever round. Okay, look at the batch profile. Male 150, female 95. So main part of GIM is a small size. Yeah, number of people you can see here is hardly 250. So problem आएगा नहीं job का. 76 freshers. 0 to 1 work ex 16 and 60 to 1 to 2 work ex, and 54 plus 30 have more than 2 years of work ex. If I add 7 as well, so approximately 90 students have more than work ex of more than 2 years. So it's a well balanced batch on both the sides. So major specialization is marketing. 125 students took marketing as their majors, finance 68, operations 28 and HR 29. So that's the breakup of the batch. So the 4 courses we have PGDM, HCM, BDA and banking and finance. So healthcare, big data and banking finance. These are the 4 courses apart from normal MBA where you can apply, because there is a separate fees for each of them in case you want to apply for each program. Okay, so now let's look at the instruction set, how you can apply for the program. So because that's very important, those who are considering GIM as a good option. So first of all, application fees is 1500 for one program. Yeah, but if you apply late, 500 extra costs. Yeah, it literally, so 1500, 2000, 2500, 3500. If you delay your application, they're going to charge 500 more. So like a aeroplane ticket. So the ticket cost is going to go up as you delay. So you have to book early in case you want to apply there. So that's the simple agenda. One program 1500, 2 program 1500. So it might, now if you want to apply for 2 courses instead of 1, because same cost for that. 3 courses 2500 and 4 courses 3500 with 500 rupees late fees. तो अगर आप लेट करते हो तो आपको ज़्यादा चार्ज देना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद भी लेट करते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम, विल चार्ज यू 1000 रुपीज़ मोर. तो लाइक तू लेट करते जा, हम लोग एक्स्ट्रा फीस मारते जाएंगे. सो आई डोंट नो, दिस कैन मोटिवेट पीपल टू अप्लाई अर्ली, बट दिस कैन also alienate people. Those who will be late, they will not even apply now. यार डबल चलेगा तो आएगा नहीं. And then if you're applying via DD, or then you have to pay 50 rupees extra plus taxes. So first mover is November 30 is the last date after the CAT exam. Immediately after CAT, for the Achievers round on December 15. For CAT, deadline is 15 December. Then early bird 31st of December, last date January 14. ओके, सो इनकेस यू वांट टू अप्लाई, जो सोच रहे अप्लाई कर दो यार. जिसको जिम जाना है, जिसको 90 परसेंटाइल प्लस आ रहा है या लगता है आ जाएगा इन एनी ऑफ द एग्जाम्स, डू अप्लाई. वाई टू डिले? ओके, दैट्स माई एडवाइस टू यू. ओके, कॉलेज अच्छा है, कॉलेज की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम द ROI, विल टॉक अबाउट दैट इन द एंड. तो उसके बारे में बाद में बात करते हैं. अदरवाइज कॉलेज इज गुड, इनटेक भी कम है, देयर इज नो इशू एट ऑल. So it all depends on the mocks, how much you score in the mocks. Based on the mocks, if you're getting 90 percentile plus or even 80, today you will get 90 rounds, so then we can apply. So Achiever round is the main round. What is Achiever round? Let's talk about that. Achiever means one of 3 things you have achieved. Either academic record, which is 80, 80, 70 according to me. Anybody above 80, 80, 70 have a good academic record. Number 2 is work experience. Anybody have a 2 years plus work experience in a listed company. Now that's my criteria. That work is good. मतलब जैम आता दी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की जगह TCS का वर्क एक्स, एनीथिंग, और नॉट एंड और यू हैव अ गुड एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटी. एनीथिंग यू हैव डन एट द नेशनल लेवल, स्टेट लेवल इज गोइंग टू बी कंसिडर्ड हियर. इफ यू हैव डन एनी ऑफ द 3 थिंग्स, यू हैव अ वेरी गुड चांस फॉर द very good chance to convert for the achievement round. Yeah, Achievers round, that would be my advice. Like SP Jain, ISB and Goa Institute of Management, there are a lot of colleges now which are giving weightage for the profile. क्योंकि प्रोफाइल अच्छे वाला स्टूडेंट आएगा तो ऑब्वियसली प्लेसमेंट होने के चांसेस ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू देम. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स लुक एट द प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड नाउ. सो placement record at GM is 100% placement. Of course, batch size low. 62% of the batch got 10 lakh plus package. मतलब 38% of the batch have got lower than 10% of the batch as well, got less than 10 lakhs also. Highest 26 lakhs, average 11.72 lakhs, median 11.4 lakhs. Yeah, so average salary is 11.72. That's what we have to consider now. Top 20 student, not top 20% back. Top 20 student got a 20 lakh package. Top 50 student got a 16 lakh package. So if you go to gym and you're in the top 20%, you'll get a 16 lakh package. Okay, and top 100 student got a 14 lakh package. All right. So then you have to take that. So ROI fees wise is around 11.72. Round it off to 12 lakh package average. Okay, at Goa Institute of Management. If this is the range, do apply. Here have your range fixed. For the healthcare program, average is 14, average is 10.1 lakh for the healthcare program. Top 20% batch got 14 lakh package, top 10% batch got 16, top 50% got a 12 lakh package. Alright, same way for the big data placement, average is 12.25 and median is 11.2. So that's the placement record which is there at Goa Institute of Management, which will help you understand whether you want to apply or not apply. Now come to the main part which everyone is waiting for, is the fee structure. How much the fees they are going to charge. So let's look at the fee structure here. So fees for the program is 3 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. 10.5 is the tuition fees. अलग वो 10 नहीं है. Total अगर count करोगे तो ज़्यादा होता है. So total all 6 sem का fees payable come out to be 2.5 into 5, which is around 12.5 plus 3.5, round it off to that value. So 12.5 plus 3.5 करो total कितना होता भाई. Total 16 lakhs is going to be your fees for the program. ठीक है, तो this is where the question mark come कि 16 लाख का फीस थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. हेल्थ केयर का थोड़ा कम है, अदरवाइज बिग डेटा एंड ऑल सबका फीस थोड़ा इज सेम. या सबका फीस इज 16. Okay, that does not include the hostel. Hostel if I add, that is double occupancy without AC. गोवा में भैया AC काम आएगा ही आएगा. You need AC in Goa. And if you go for the hostel as well, तो 4 लाख और ले लो. Add 4 lakh to things. So total fees come out to be around 20 lakhs. 4 लाख मैं ऐड कर रहा हूँ इसका राउंड ऑफ करके, खाना पीना जोड़ के. पीना तो इज क्वाइट चीप इन गोवा, हाफ रेट. तो बट दिस इज अ थिंग. But don't look at the investment from 1 year point of view. This is a long term, this is lifetime investment. Think from that point of view. Of course, if I get the new IM, so I will not apply here. But this will act as a backup plan. So 12 lakh ka average package, 11.72 and 20 lakh ka salary. You have to decide whether you want to apply or not apply. Alright, all the best.